Yeah, I know
Jarvis.
him.
Bella with Jarvis. Yeah.
Yeah, I know him. I know both. I know both of them.
In Kenya we love Bella. We love
Wow.
Jarvis and Bella.
Wow. That's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Eh,
So what do you do for a living?
I'm a comedian.
You're a comedian?
Yes.
You're a comedian.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Just make me laugh for 10 minutes and I have something for you.
You want to laugh for 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Get ready, bro. So I
Huh.
can turn my camera this side or so that I can make you
Anyone,
laugh.
anywhere,
Anywhere.
anyhow. Yeah.
Anywhere. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Get ready for this, bro.
Okay.
Yeah. I can move closer.
Okay.
Are you able to see?
Wow.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Just wait for a
Bro.
moment. Okay.
Okay, can use this.
Okay, get ready, bro.
We want to make you to be happy.
You want to laugh or you want?
I want to laugh.
Okay. Okay, bro.
Okay.
Hi, bro.
I'm good.
I'm just seeing you selling bananas, kuma wiki.
Yes, I'm selling at a cheaper price, man.
Yeah.
So welcome.
Okay. For this banana, you sell for how many shillings?
10 bob.
10 bob.
Only.
So I want one banana in 10 shillings.
Yeah. But you can send.
I can send.
This is my number.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have Mabati iron sheets?
Yes, I have, but you can.
I don't want banana. I want iron sheets, bro.
No. You mean you are a thief? You come for banana and then you have changed. You want iron.
No, bro.
It's not a hardware, man. You come for banana. Why are you changing the topic? So you want to steal from me?
No,
are you a thief?
No, bro.
Okay,
Calm down. Calm
Okay,
down.
okay, just say.
Calm down.
Okay.
Give me firewood, bro.
You come for what first? You see this as small shop. We are selling banana, vegetables, onion, tomatoes, and you want iron sheet. How come?
I want iron sheets, bro. Oh, if you can manage, close this now. No, close
So
this.
you want to say that you are the thief? You come to steal from me?
No, I'm not stealing. I come here to buy banana, but now I changed my plan. I want iron sheets.
You want iron sheet?
Yeah, I want iron sheets, bro.
So what I can do? Let me call the police.
No, bro.
Just wait. Don't do anything.
No.
Hello, officer.
No.
Calm
down, bro. Calm
There's
down.
someone who come to steal from me here. Please, come
Calm down,
No,
bro.
no.
Calm down. Okay, give me banana. Free banana.
No. Yeah, this Kenyan, you have to work hard. Free banana not here, man.
So because I don't have money, you can't give me free banana.
You have to give me money because this thing I buy.
Yeah.
This the city, this Nairobi. Why you think you can wake up and come here? You say I give you a banana, and I'm a father. I'm looking for my wife and my children.
Okay. So you said you don't have iron sheets.
Don't change the topic. You just wait. I've already been.
Nah, I want Sukuma wiki, but I don't have money.
Then now you want Sukuma wiki. How dare you, man?
Can I give you my cape so that you can give me banana?
Yes, just give me. Just move.
One banana, one cape.
Yeah, bring it.
Bro, calm down.
No. If you want, now you can go. Go and call the police. Now already I've been called the police.
Let me take the whole banana. Let me take the whole banana.
No.
For that.
Even I can see this mark. You are a thief.
I'm not a thief, bro.
No. You are a thief.
No.
See this mark. This mark.
Okay, calm down. Return my cape. I take 2 bananas. I will bring money later.
I don't know you. Please. I don't know you. Just take your things and disappear from my shop.
Please. Okay. Let me.
No. Don't stop me.
Do you know how much is this?
You want to make me angry?
Calm down,
No, you want to
bro.
make me
No,
angry?
calm down.
You want to make me angry?
Calm down, bro. Calm down,
You
bro.
want to make me angry? Okay? You just go, please. Just go.
But if you don't have iron sheet, close these things now.
Let me come outside here, man.
Please, bro.